What's good, family? This is David Tossie with the Tossie Advisory Group. Today, we dive into a simple yet powerful way to build wealth: dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Most people spend years waiting for the perfect time to buy stock. The truth? No one can time the market perfect, not even Wall Street. Instead of chasing perfection, let's focus on consistency. Dollar cost averaging means you invest a fixed amount of money on a set schedule. Whether it's every paycheck, every 2 weeks, or monthly, you stick to it, regardless of market change. When prices are high, you buy fewer shares. When prices are low, you grab more. Over time, your cost averages out. You keep emotions in check, allowing your investment to grow quietly. This strategy is designed for people like us, hourly workers, single-income families, and those juggling responsibilities while pursuing wealth. You don't need thousands to start. You need discipline, patience, and a solid plan. Start with what you have, whether it's $25, $50, or $100. Let time and consistency transform small actions into significant progress. Remember, family, you can't achieve financial security by merely saving your paycheck. However, you can lay the foundation for financial health by investing wisely. If you want to learn more strategies like this, check out my book, Stock Investing for Poor People. Join the Tag Premium Lounge at tossieadvisorygroup.com. Enjoy a 7-day free trial with code WMCIS0925. Let's build wealth, one paycheck at a time.